Hey there, this is Tamir from Fibonaccis-Traders.com. In this video, I would like to share with you a simple strategy for swing trading. As traders, beginners, or veterans, all we look is for the optimized area to enter a position, whether it's long or short. We also look for the optimized area to put our stop loss and the optimized area to take some profits. Before we continue, would be much appreciated if you hit the like and subscribe button. It will help me to grow this channel. Thank you. Now, if we look at this chart here, we have all the famous indicators that many use for technical analysis. We have the MAs, we have the 9, 21, 50, 100, 200 MAs, we have the volume, of course, we have the MACD, and we have the RSI. All these indicators, many technical analysis, many traders out there use them to try to figure out what should we do now. Do we enter a position? And if I'm already in a position, what do I do? Take profit, manage my stop, where to move my stop. If we look at this one, if I'm not in a position yet, and I will ask them, do I go long or do I go short from here? Some will say long. Why? Because it's too far from the 50 MA to the downside. This is the 50. Too far from the 50 to the downside, and the RSI here indicates that we are in oversold area. Now the other group will say short. Why? Because it's all the way below all the important, all the major, all the famous MAs, and oversold can stay oversold for a long time. But if we look in the RSI, if we go left, RSI here was oversold, but price was here. RSI here was also oversold, but price was here. And now RSI here in August was oversold, but price keep going down, and now it's again oversold. So what should we do? First, always do your own due diligence. Never follow blindside anyone else. Second, if all these indicators are here to help me as a trader and give me some indication of where price might be headed, but they really don't. Why? Because they all follow price. We don't see any indicator going to the right to the future. They all end up after price is closed. Doesn't matter on which time frame you're looking at. They all follow price. So let's teach ourselves to read price action without relying on anyone else and on any indicators out there. How? We get rid of them and clean our chart all the way back to line chart. But before we do it, share in the comments section below what indicators are you using. Does it help you? How does it work for you? Let me know. Maybe I will do some video on it. Now let's get rid of all the indicators and let's see if we can really read price action without any indicator on the chart, not even volume. Now we have candles, but before candles we have this one. And now we can clearly identify areas of support, areas of resistance, and plan our strategy. How do we do it? I can go and check left. Always look left. If you want to see why price is now where he is, look left. Simply as that. Why price is now here? Because it was here also in May 2022. If we go further back, it was here also as a resistance May 21, and here March 21 is support. So now this area of 208, 206, we can draw also this one like this because it's an area of support. We can draw a small box like this one, and we can say, okay, if this box breaks down, we can go short if I'm not short yet. But where is the next one? Where is the next support area that I should look for? I look left. Below this one, we have this area here. So I take the box and just draw another one here, all the way to the right. And now I know that if I go short, the next level of support that I should look at and maybe take some profits would be here in the area of 190, 185. Now what happens if price starts to bounce up? Where do I go long? I look at the next. I look left and I see here these two highs. I can, with a small box, and if I drag it all the way to the left, I see that also here in June, and more left, 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 also here in August 21. And if I go further to the back, I can see that this one, I can go long above it. Simply as that. No indicators needed. This is for swing. We can also do it. We do it sometimes also on our Discord where we trade live together. We also do it for day trading because also on day trading you can see the line very clearly that here it's the same area of support for the daily, the same area of support for the 15 minutes. We can go short below. Now where do I put my stop? I look left and I see this area here. Let's mark it with a line and look left. Is it strong enough? Suppose it does, because in October 12, October 11, price just hover around it until it broke down. So if I go short, I need to put my stop loss where? On previous area of resistance, which is here. If I go long above this one, or even above this one, where do I put my stop? Below recent area of support. That's it. Simply as that. Try it. Try it on the daily, try it on the weekly, try it even on the 1 hour. It works. You don't need any of it. Now check and see the difference between this and all these indicators like this one. And if we take all this one out, of course, it's much more easier. MACD, we have also the RSI, we have also the volume. Look at the difference. Look how much noise we have on the chart. And once we get rid of all of this, also the volume, you don't really need it. And when we get rid of all of this one, and we go back to line, that's it. Much more simpler. If you struggle to grow your account, check the link that will appear just about now, a video I made, And if you find this video helpful or any other video, please hit the like and subscribe, and don't forget to share in the comments below what indicators are you using. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next